This is why you need Python web scraping in your toolkit. Imagine collecting data from your favorite websites automatically. Sounds awesome, right? Python web scraping is your gateway to effortlessly gather data from the web. First, we need to install two essential libraries, Requests and Beautiful Soup. Open your terminal and type pip install requests Beautiful Soup 4. Done? Great. Now, let's fetch a web page. With the Requests library, sending an HTTP request is as easy as request.getURL. Got the response? Sweet. Time to parse it with Beautiful Soup. Soup = Beautiful Soup, response text, HTML.parser. Boom, your HTML is now parsable. Want to extract specific data? Let's say you need headlines from a news site. Use soup find all h1 to grab all h1 tags. Loop through them with a simple for headline in headlines, print headline.text. Ta-da! You've got your list of headlines. Automation, easy peasy. Combine this script with a scheduler like cron or Windows Task Scheduler and gather fresh data on autopilot. So there you have it. Python web scraping made fast and easy. Subscribe for more awesome coding tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one. But wait, there's more. Let's dive deeper into some advanced techniques. Use your browser's developer tools to inspect the HTML structure of the web page. Identify the tags and classes that contain the data you need. Use soup.select to target elements with specific classes or IDs. For example, soup select class name will select all elements with the class name. Run your script and see the magic happen. And want to store your data? Use the pandas library to save it to a CSV file. Import pandas as PD and df.to CSV or data CSV. CSV will do the trick. Now you have your data neatly organized in a CSV file. For larger projects, consider setting up a virtual environment to manage dependencies. Virtualenv venv and sourcevenv/bin/activate will get you started. Install your packages within the virtual environment to keep your project isolated. Don't forget to document your code for future reference and regularly review and update your code to ensure it remains functional. Share your code on platforms like GitHub to collaborate with others. Feedback from the community can help you improve your code. Celebrate your successes and keep learning. Subscribe for more awesome coding tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.